5, 6, 5, 5. I feel like this is going to be good box. Yes? No? No? Wrong way. Right there. Right there. Okay. Dun dun dun. What did you do? Where is it? Where is the sticker? Ah, there we go. Dun dun dun. Dun dun dun. Empty box.
I don't feel a thick pack in there, alright.
You feel lucky, pump?
No.
Well, you already
I do, because I get Yari Curry, Ryan Johansson, Sidney Crosby, Joe Sakic, and Vladimir Tarasenko colored photo, card number 284. Hominick, Duclair, and Perreault.
Barkov, Ladd, Kessler. We have a rookie phenom for Nashville, Victor Arvidsson. Saad, Johnson, Mrazek, Ribeiro sticking his tongue out. I do not know why.
Ryan O'Reilly, Matt Molson, Galchenyuk. Oh, colored rookie phenom, Colin Miller, Boston. Klingberg, Ennis, Crawford, and Kessel. Base cards.
Pacioretty, Hudler, Bobby Orr, Al McInnes. We have a Joe Pavelski. That card. What is that? Color photo? Whatever. Shen, Neil, Marlowe.
Glenn Jake Allen, Pecorine, Henrik Lundqvist. Wire rookie phenom photo. Who's this one? Number 315. Looks like a Connor McDavid.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Considering they're showing somebody in front of them. Whatever. Cool. Only a McDavid card. Don't get
Bergeron, Hurdle, and Eberle.
Nikita Kucherov, Simeon Varlamov. We have a rookie phenom, Malcolm Subban. That's funny. I have an SP Game Use card in here. Whatever.
Oh.
Sure. Andreas Martinsen for Colorado, 24 out of 27. I didn't know we bought SP Game Used, but okay. Giordano. And there's
update or something?
Brent Burns. Must be.
Oh, that a 27. Not bad.
Card number 227. Sure, why not?
Corey Schneider base, Iginla, Sharp, Hopkins, and Nicholas Patan, colored rookie, 233. Pasternak, Jenner, and Plekanec base cards.
Doug Gilmore, Eric Stahl, Corey Perry, Nick Foligno.
Huh.
We have a black and white art card, Dylan Larkin for Detroit, rookie phenom. Williams, Acapozzo, and Luongo.
Lidstrom, Henrique, Hoffman. Colored photo, Clark Gillies. Number 260. Bozak, Doughty, Rask, and Krug.
Taylor Hall, Jaromir Jagr, Braden Holtby. We have a wire photo, John Tavares, Islanders, Ekman Larson, Hayes, Brock Nelson, Roman Josi.
Mark Stone, Bobby Ryan, Aaron Ekblad, Ryan Miller. Ooh, black and white, Bobby Clark.
That's two black and whites.
Billy.
Nice.
Niederreiter, Nyquist, and Carter.
La la la. Pavel Bure, Pavel Datsuk, Evgeny Kuznetsov. Oh, here we have a dual material, Drew Doughty.
Nice.
I told you this was going to be a good box. Brassard, Anderson.
We got Mark Messier, Mario Lemieux, Joe Pavelski, Marc-Andre Fleury. Ooh, a rookie phenom auto. Brett Pesci, Carolina.
Any relation to Joe?
Oh, card number 203. Probably not pronouncing it right. Koivu, Bishop, and Thornton.
Kopitar, Gothisphere, Bobby Clark, rookie phenom, Antoine Bibeau, Toronto, Spezza, Ryder, Vatanen, Versteeg.
Backstrom, Falk, Quick. Wire rookie photo, Max Domi. Number 296.
Wonder if he knows that Ty Domi guy.
Ristolainen, Smith, Dubnik, and Kane.
Shaking his head at me again. Nick Bukestad. Lafleur. Goodrow. Jones. Rookie phenom. Brady Skit.
Brady Shea.
Yes, Shea. Rangers.
I don't think you ever get his name right.
Probably not. Bohotovet. Wayne Simmons. Stemkos. Making a big mess with all the pucks.
Morgan Riley, Landy McDonald, Clark Gillies, Jonathan Toews. I got a king. Oh, sorry. It's a prince. Shane Prince.
Ah, I get it. I don't get it.
Rick Nash, Ryan Suter, and Eric Carlson base cards.
Gabriel Landeskog. Subban. Blake Wheeler. Wire photo phenom. Rookie there. Charles Hudon. Montreal. Jordan Stahl. Verbata. Skinner. Schwartz.
Tarasenko, Voracek, Ovechkin, Sagan. Rookie Matthias Janmark for Dallas, number 327, color photo. Parise, Huberdeau, and Van Riemsdyk.
Leach. Bobrovsky. Zuccarello. Rookie phenom Ben Hutton for Canuckies. Reimer. Bufaglian. Jokinen. Hamilton. Peace.